Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday, happy 6. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. Honestly speaking, guys, what is going on? So yesterday it was the Amashe's graduation. Congratulations, clock it, girl, smart woman. So, guys, I also heard someone said Umbabela has a tendency of posting people is no longer dating. He once posted Vuyokazi, even though they were no longer together with Vuyokazi. So yesterday, Amahle posted a mini video like on TikTok with the song Single Lady by Beyonce. Guys, when people will say congratulations, Mrs. Msaleko, she ran to the comment section to correct them to say, I'm not Mrs. Msaleko anymore. I wonder what is going on these two guys, because they no longer follow each other on Instagram. People are saying what's the one thing about Terelo, she wants to be alone. Maybe Amahle decided to say, you know what, I can't do this anymore. Let me just walk away. Or maybe they are playing us. We're gonna find out on his season 4. Because at the end of the day, we all have the right. You are the one who decided to want to have a reality show. If you wanted to private, you could have kept everything private, but you decided to come in public. So people have a right to know what is going on. Even if you go to Mayeni, no one from Seleka has posted Amahle to say congratulations, guys. So it shows that something is going on, because when she completed her degree, she posted on Instagram. Umele also posted to say congratulations to Amahle. Right now she's graduating, he's not saying anything. So people are saying about definitely there's a trouble in paradise between these two guys, and some are saying about they don't have a chemistry like Terelo and Mpumelelo. It's just like they are forcing things, I don't know. Amahle is just chill girl. Some are saying about maybe Amahle she will find a better husband, not Mpumelelo. Saying about do you see, as a man, all you need to do is to have money and be rich. A lot of ladies, they're gonna come for you whether they have a degree or not. Amahle, she's very educated, she's dating Mpumelelo, guys. The people were dragging about Vuyokazi. Now also Vuyokazi, she's going to be graduating very soon. One thing one Mpumelelo Obathanda ba graduate Shem Utirana, she's completing her become accountant. So tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.